Hi friends! Today we make Besan Ladoo. Look, I made Besan Ladoo. Hi friends! Today we are making Besan Ladoo. We need besan, ghee, sugar powder and nuts. Time for ghee. 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Sizzle, sizzle, melted ghee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The besan looks so golden. Time to turn off the stove. Ah! Okay, all done with the pan. Now into the big bowls. Yep. Roll, 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 roll. Ah! Yummy ladoo! Bye, Bye, friends.